A RESTful API, Representational State Transfer API, is an architectural style for designing networked applications that communicate via HTTP. It's widely used because of its simplicity, scalability, and stateless nature. For more tech interview materials, please go to our website at bowsy8.com. How a RESTful API works, step by step. 1. Client makes a request. A client, web app, mobile app, or service sends an HTTP request to the API endpoint, URL. Example, get https://api example.com/users/123 retrieves data for user 123. 2. Server processes the request. The server processes the request based on the HTTP method and endpoint. Common HTTP methods: get, retrieve data; post, create new data; put/patch, update existing data; delete, delete data. 3. Response generation. The server returns a response with a status code and data, often in JSON format. Status codes indicate success or error. 200 OK, successful request. 201 created, new resource created. 400 bad request, invalid input. 404 not found, resource not found. 4. Stateless communication. Each request is independent and contains all necessary information. The server does not store client state between requests. Major components of a RESTful API. 1. Endpoints, resources. URLs that represent specific resources or data. Example, /users, all users. /users/ID, specific user by ID. 2. HTTP methods, verbs. Define the action to perform on the resource. Get, read a resource. Post, create a resource. Put/patch, update a resource. Delete, remove a resource. 3. Request and response. Request contains the endpoint, HTTP method, headers, and optional body. Response contains the status code, headers, and data, often JSON. 4. Headers. Metadata for requests and responses. Examples. Content type specifies data format, e.g., application/JSON. Authorization provides authentication info. 5. Statelessness. The server does not retain any client context between requests. Each request must contain all necessary info, like tokens for authentication. 6. JSON, JavaScript object notation. A lightweight, human-readable data format for exchanging information. 7. Status codes. Provide feedback on the request outcome. 200 OK, successful. 201 created, resource created. 400 bad request, client error. 404 not found, resource not found. 500 internal server error, server issue. 8. Authentication and security. Methods to secure the API, such as API keys, tokens included in requests. OAuth, secure authorization. JWT, JSON Web Tokens for stateless authentication. Key benefits of RESTful APIs are: 1. Scalability. Stateless nature allows for easy scaling. 2. Flexibility. Works with various programming languages and platforms. 3. Simplicity. Easy to understand and implement. 4. Performance. Efficient due to lightweight JSON format and stateless communication. Thanks for watching. For more tech interview materials, please go to our website at bowsy8.com.